So today I'm going to show you 3 kinds of keto rice that are not cauliflower. The first rice that I will be making today will be using broccoli. For the second keto rice we're going to make, I am going to be using zucchini. And our third and final keto rice will be made using a pumpkin. Keto rice made using broccoli, zucchini and pumpkin.
I don't know if they'll go in my mouth, yeah.
Put it in properly, like
A vegetable, and this is something I think you use when you're trying to substitute spaghetti or noodles or something like that, like possibly zucchini. I don't know.
This is item B.
This is something soggy and soft. Shit, I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's a purple color.
How can you see purple?
I can taste color.
You can taste purple.